Hey everyone, Amanda here with Harry Robinson Buick GMC. Today I want to talk to you about extended warranties. These are a great product to have, especially if your vehicle is high mileage, pre-owned, or anything like that. We definitely like to sell these extended warranties to help you with AC repairs, engine repairs, transmission repairs, things like that. One of the things on these contracts and the paperwork that you have is it will tell you the specific plan that you're purchasing on your contract, which I'll show you in a moment. But it will tell you what is covered and what is not covered in this little flyer. Also, with your contract, when it prints from the extended warranty, they'll have a really great printout page, and it's going to tell you what is covered on this page. It breaks down everything that's covered. On the next page, it tells you what is not covered by your extended warranty. It will list every component that is not covered. So when they sell you a factory type plan, yes, it will be similar to your bumper-to-bumper warranty. However, it does not cover belts, hoses, fluids, brakes, wipers, or any wearable component. So those kind of components are considered owner maintenance or maintenance items. So they will not be covered by an extended warranty contract, including reprograms to your radio, your engine modules, things like that are not covered for reprograms or updates. It also does not cover transmission flushes and things of those maintenance items. If you have questions about your maintenance items or any of the covered components, please don't hesitate to reach out and let us know. We're here to help you to take care of that car. If you have any questions, again, give us a call, 479-646-8600. Have a great day.